Have you ever thought about somebody and then just after it, they've given you a phone or sent you a text? Well, Kenneth, you might have a telepathic link with them. You hate going onto my website, going onto your news, and here I read my article about the most recent research into this. They've proven that it's near random chance. Folk that can other folk can a wheel, tend to have sick a telepathic link. They'll ken that they're about to phone them, and they'll ken it more than could be just with random chance alone. And other folk are thinking about fit could be a hint this, and it could be quantum entanglement, and that we're just working on this quantum level, and if you have emotional ties with somebody, you a wheel, you had experiences with them, you're entangled with them, forever more. Say, if you like this sort of thing, going onto my website, I've got more articles like this, about the most recent research into just amazing things, as well as amazing research out of Scotland, and some news for Scotland. But I'm trying to bide away from politics. But if you like Scots news, and I've got it in English now, if you're interested in fit stories, I mind and like and subscribe to tell you news from here.